add strings given two non-negative integers num1 and num2 represented as string. Return the sum of num1 and num2 as a string. You must solve this problem without using any built-in library for handling large integers such as big integer. You must also not convert the inputs into integers directly. So here we want to add 11 with 1 2 3, so the result is 1 3 4. If it is integer, we can easily return num plus num1 plus num2, right? But it is saying just it's string. We cannot add strings, right? So when we add string plus string, it's gonna be 1 1 1 2 3, right? We cannot get that 1 3 4. So the way I'm gonna do is I will yeah, it's looping, right? I will take every characters from each strings from the leftmost from the rightmost. I will take 3, I will take 1, then I will plus 4, then I will take 2, I will take 1, and then I will take 2, and then okay, I got 3. And then here 1, I will take 1, but there is no characters at that index, so I will take just 0 plus 1 equal 1. So we got 1 3 4. For example, if we have the carry, I will take 6, I will take 7, and then the result is 13, right? I will take only the remainders, like I will divide it by 10, and then I would take only 3 at this place, and then 1's gonna be the carry value. The carry is 5 plus carry is 1 6, then plus 7 13 again 3, and then carry is 1 plus 4, then 5. Okay, so we need to keep adding until the longest string is not finished, or the carry is still 0, right? Until that time I need to loop, and then I have to add to my result string. Okay, let's do this. So for the first time, I will create a result to return with an empty string, and then I will create two variable I and j. I is gonna be just the num1 dot length minus 1, because I want to take this one, because 1 2 3 length is 3, so I will take from index number 2, right? Okay, and then j is gonna be num2 dot length th, right? And then I need to create a carry value with 0 for the first time. Okay, so I will keep going till I greater than equal 0, or j greater than equal 0, or carry equal 1, and then I will add. Okay, so if okay, so for the first time I will take, oh no, not if, I will take 1 from this string, and then I will take 3 from this string, right? So I will create a variable, because if I use the if there's a lot of lines of code, so let's do like this. N1, I will create just a variable N1, and then if I less than 0, that means there is no character at that index. All right, at the time I will just take 0, else, oh sorry, num1 I, right? So now when we take 1, it is just a character, right? It's not gonna be the integer value, right? So I will change 1 to our integer value, because they don't want us to use a Boolean library and then convert the inputs to the integer, right? So they don't want us to convert the characters to the integers, right? So I will just minus from that 0, because there's a lot of character codes, right? So from 0 character code to this one, for example, if it is, I'm not sure for the ASCII code for the 0 character, for example, if it is 100, at the time 1, it's gonna be 1, right? So at that time 1 or 1 minus 1 or 100, so we will get just 1. Okay, by doing that way we can get the integer from our character. Now 1 and then minus character 0, and then we will get our values. Okay, the same way for the n2, n2 we will check j less than equal 0. If it is less than 0, we will take just 0. If it is not, we will take the value at the index. But because it is a char, so we need to try to get the integer values, right? Okay, so and then we will have the same values, right? n1 plus n2 plus carry, right? For the first time it's just 0, right? And then result is gonna be some percentage 10 because we just take the reminder, right? And then ULT result, so we don't need to reverse the string. Okay, and then carry is gonna be send by 10, right? And then I minus minus and j minus minus, and then we will keep going until this condition. Okay, so after we finish this while loop, we need to return our result. Okay, let's try to run this code. Okay, it works. So I'm gonna submit this one to see what will happen. Okay, so cool. That's it. Thank you.